Hi, I'm Ben Savage and I'm the Applications Manager for Force Technologies. Upscreening is the act of functionally verifying a device's function to a higher specification level than originally outlined by the OEM. This is made possible by multiple factors, including the fact that OEMs often use the same die, packages, and assembly techniques across the commercial, industrial, and to some extent military temperature ranges. Force hauled a very large library of test programs that we've built up over the last 35 years that gives us an excellent test coverage over a wide range of semiconductor devices. In the event that we have not tested the device in question, we can design and create the software and hardware required to offer a very comprehensive functional upscreen on that product. All of our donor parts are subject to the rigorous Force Technologies goods inward inspection, and our parts are also tested to the industry standard AS6081 authentication test. If you'd like to inquire more about our upscreening services, you can talk to us on our website or give us a call.